politician go just walk around, just do one nonsense campaign, lie to the people, enter office, chop money till he leaves. But the people doing the actual work, nothing. I do borrow 7 million, 8 million, 10 million. These people they do borrow 30 million for 3. That 30 million will take care of everybody, where they, all the teachers, when they hear the cry. All these children when no people go school and no people pay their teachers. The money used for 3 people can pay all of them. Now, we hear the talk. EFCC, I don't like them, so I need to talk. Yeah? EFCC go say, we don't recover 200 billion. Where the money? Are you not supposed to recover this money from all these bad politicians and put it back into the country's economy?
To the government, yes.
Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I won't say Sheyi Tinubu, maybe I don't like his name with that. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, when he came into power, he said they want to remove subsidy. He said they're going to use the money better the country. You remove subsidy, finish. Keep governors. As you remove the subsidy, you know what they do?
Share them to governors.
Share the money better. They still come to borrow more money to add to the money. Where all this money they and teachers they home, students they home, civil servants they cry. Where all this money they? People they die for Benue. People they die for Jos. People they die for Taraba. Almost all these things, Meduguri yourself don't they normal, they forget them. People are dying every blessed day. This the chief of army staff, that one I don't know what they do here. The chief of army staff, I don't know what you're doing there. To be honest. The CDS.
Chief of defense staff.
Well, the CDS, like I said, myself, I still don't know what they do there. It's almost as if these people are not doing anything. You left Benue a few days ago. Sorry, I'm highlighting some problem. I'll give you mine for continue, right? You left Benue State a few days ago when the whole Yelwata thing happened. Immediately you left, they just killed 4 policemen day before yesterday. So what are we really doing? The problem is big and it's beyond what we are even doing here. But for now, we need our money. It's as simple as it is. Thank you very much. Yes.
And it would be nice to interact with these children. Hello.
Hello, come on, busy now. Money get dúró síbẹ̀ now.
Children, how are you?
Èmi ò mọ̀ na tell no tell this me say me more now.
Not fine.
I'm even more. Ma tell me by the tell no fún mi.
That is why we are here too.
Ẹ̀dùn máa pè yín padà.
To support all of you.
Pè padà sí ẹ má bínú.
To let you know that we are adding our voice to your voice. To tell government that I want to ask you questions. Students, that beautiful children that this present administration is keeping at home. I want to ask you, what will you like to be in the future? I want you to tell me that one of the reasons why you are going to school is to become what? What is your name?
My name is Friday.
Come again.
My name is Friday.
Please, can you people make way for the man?
His name is Friday. This young man is going to tell us, what does he want to become after going to school?
I want to become a mechanical.
Come again.
I want to become a mechanical engineer.
This young man wants to become a mechanical engineer. And his dream is being truncated right now by keeping him at home. Is it because his father is not an affiliate of Wike? Because they cannot send him to private school? And his parents have tried enough. na shame go kill them. He go kill them, kill their papa. If Wike's dream, when he was in primary school, was cut short, will he become a minister?
No!
By now, if I don't carry 1 or 2 bombs, die.
Yes.
This young man wants to become a mechanical engineer. And we have given a delegated power to Wike to manage FCT. And his father frustrating the poor. It's only the poor, the civil servants, that are sending children to primary school. Majority of them are sending them to private school. I want another person. Thank you. When you finish your education, what do you want to become?
Doctor.
This beautiful lady wants to become a medical doctor. You are all aware we have Japa syndrome. All our medical personnel, they have Japa. Go to our general hospitals. There are no doctors. Maybe you will see 1 or 2. And even they themselves are processing their papers. It's only a function of time. Ladies and gentlemen, Wike and this administration are truncating this lady's dream of becoming a medical doctor.
Who else?
Who else wants to tell me? Tell me your name. This young man is Jeremiah. Okay. When you grow up, what do you want to become? Come again. Come again. This young man wants to become a banker. If I ask on and on and on and on, you will see that these children has vision. If you go back memory lane, it takes people that have gone to primary school to build this nation. I'm talking of Obafemi Awolowo. I'm talking of Nnamdi Azikiwe. I'm talking of Tafawa Balewa, Ahmadu Bello. Go and check their background. They all went to public schools. There are some of them that, if there are no free education, somebody like me, I will be driving Molu in Lagos. Go and check my background. I am not shy to say it. I grew up in Mushi and Oshodi. I would have been riding Molu. Ladies and gentlemen, children, I want to encourage you that no matter what, don't let your dream die. Continue to let your dream count. Continue to make this work, and God will help you. Wike is wicked. Yes. We are giving him a new name today. When he first came, people call him Mr. Project. They call him Mr. Solution. But today, we make a pronouncement that Wike is WW. Do you know what is WW? Wicked. Anywhere you go now, tell your friends, tell your parents that Wike is wicked. We have caused the land today because of him. Wherever he is, it will get to him. We have caused the air today, except if he's not breathing. If he's breathing, it will get to him. Except they change their ways. They still have opportunity to mend fence. They still have opportunity to make their way. Rivkat, you can cut that line. It doesn't matter. You cannot cut my voice. I am the voice of the voiceless. And I will continue to speak. And God will continue to energize me. Let me tell you what. A man will be known. A man will be known for either problem created or problem solved. Are you solving problems? Or are you creating more problems? There will always be more problems in your life. As long as you are not serving people, as long as you are using their resources to torment their parents, to torment their life, tormentation will follow you for the rest of your life. Children, God will fight your cause. Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego, they were going to be thrown in the fire because they asked them to bow for another God. They said, even if this God will not not save us, we will still not bow to your God.
Yeah.
Even if wicked will not change, we will still not say it's good.
Yes.
Even if wicked will not change,
Yes.
we will continue to call him wicked.
Yes.
Because what he's doing is wicked.
Yes.
I want you to know,
Yes.
we are with you in FCTA,
Yes.
we are with you in FCDA,
Yes.
and continuously we will continue to fight.
Yes.
We will fight today, we will fight tomorrow, and we will continue to fight. It is not over.
Until it is
It
over.
is not over.
Until it is over.
Greater Nigerian students.
Yeah.
Greater Nigerian students. Greatest of the greatest. VeryDarkMan,
Yes, sir.
I have a message for you. Don't be discouraged. Life is like that. I've never met you. This is the first time we are meeting.
Yes, sir.
I said something yesterday. People will always oppose you.
Yes, sir.
But you see vision. The moment you catch vision, keep your gaze on it. When you desire, you aspire.
Yes, sir.
Even when you aspire, you don't retire.
Yes, sir.
You continue to refire until you can acquire your desire.
Yes, sir.
You are meant to be the voice of the voiceless. As long as it's about taking the children back to school, as long as
Yes, sir.
it's about adding value to people,
Yes, sir.
as long as it's about making civil servants to feel better,
Yes, sir.
call me any day.
Yes, sir.
Anytime, team moment, time occasion, all frequency, fee, angular velocity, we. How many people we can go kill? How many people we can go kill?
Our children did not write common entrance. It's a concern to us. Second time, no school. Third time now, no school. How are you going to take care of our children? It's a concern to us. So we are pleading. Union, only through me primary school, we need the classes. Only the classes. We want to use the classes so that we will engage these children in a lesson. We are going to also teach them skills acquisition. Locking the school is not making sense. I have the opportunity to meet the PTA chairman of the school, and he told me that the power to open the school is in the hands of the union. So we are calling on the union. As far as we are begging Wike to pay our teachers to go back to school, we are also begging the area council chairmen. If you know there is anything in your custody, please open this school for us. We want our children back home. Back to school, please.
Thank you. Oya state and capital, real quick. Please give them space. Heat, there's heat.
Please move back, please.
Are you guys ready for state and capital? I know, sir, I know they go school lately. Maybe on our brain, if you don't forget some things. No. And I hope you never forget, please. People need to give them space.
Anybody that give you something, let me
Don't
know.
do it.
Do you hear me?
Over 1 year, they are staying at home.
God will clean the brains of his wicked children.
Over 1 year, they are staying at home. I also forgot to mention that as big as the primary school, as big as that primary school in Durumi, that they only have how many teachers? 10 teachers. 10 teachers in the whole of Durumi Primary School. You see another craziest thing these people did? 100 per class with 10 teachers and different subjects. Isn't that crazy? But that's by the way. Now, while these children are on strike, these same APC people, I don't like to use APC, but it look like it's politics. These same people went to go and do primary election in their school. You know the way to the school to do primary election, but you are not concerned about the children that use the school, but you can use it to do election. During election, they don't go to the primary school because that's a polling unit. But after that, what else? State and capital again anyways. Plate of Manu, I don't sure say una bath. Plate of Manu bath. I don't want to go to school again.
Okay, you don't want to go to school.
See, other than we want you to go to school, when our parents said they complain, say they don't tire. So on the scatter area. Not only the school with the problem, when I need to go back. May the teacher continue with their problem. Because some of them, they give one month. So we they pray. Minus week, we see they pray. So we can also look for way, even if we can open them. The one we consign our own area, we will use that one text now. We will come to teach you now. And if we teach you now, if we even better pay the teachers when they're hungry, how much do they pay the teachers? They don't go teach you now complete. Teacher, I they pay 20,000. I wanted to teach 100 students for a month, 20,000. Go use Gary can't teach. Even the Gary self no cheap. Bag of rice self no cheap. Beans now no cheap. Oil no cheap. Indomie no cheap. Oh my God. You don't say before, yeah? The only thing was any big man for protein, na egg. If big men they chop meat, we will go chop egg. We will go say na protein. But now, one egg na 300. How much come in meat? Do you understand? How much we meat? So, it's okay. People when they go market say 1,000 naira meat, no even day. From 2,000 naira upward, and that 2,000 naira will now go small. Now, you see. That's another problem. All the states where they do farming for Nigeria, bandits they attack them. All the states where supposed to make food cheap. Benue is the food basket of the nation. Benue is so important to Nigeria that they did for our coat of arms. If you go study our coat of arms, you go see Benue. It's so important to the whole country that our coat of arms, Benue, did here. Food basket of the nation don't turn. It not even be food again. Dead body. It's now dead body basket of the nation.
Empty basket of the nation.
All the states, like I said, all the states where for make food cheap for Nigeria, they kill all of them. Go to Jos. Then they bring Irish potatoes from Jos. Now Irish potato don't cost. Tomato Jos, no be tomato Jos again, no. Because they can't even farm again. The problem is very, very massive. Even if they are paying you, listen, even if they eventually start paying teachers 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira a month, it will still not be enough if some issues are not tackled. Especially the issues of insecurity around these areas that are supposed to make food very cheap. So the problem is actually plenty.
Are you tired?
When I don't chop this morning, when I chop yesterday night, if you don't chop yesterday night, raise your hand. If you don't chop, who take two, who chop two, go sleep. Maybe they are 2 to 2 as now for market. Serious and still,
Salad day. Rice go far. Indomie. So na salad day they eat rice. Abeg, please. One comrade dey pass out.
Abeg, for this place, junior comrade one fence. Abeg. Don't worry, we'll soon be going home, okay? After you eat, go. The only reason why we are here is simple. It's because the government are forgetting you. So we need to remind them. It's not because we can beat them. It's just to remind them that you people are still very much alive and you need to go back to school. That placard says Wike is wicked. So please, be patient.
What do you mean by
Hey.
that?